The instrument comes with 2 spare fuses, which can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument when it is broken. Take a screwdriver to slowly pry open the place where the fuse is installed, remove the broken fuse, and replace it with the spare fuse. Mounting bracket. Install the connection line of the handle. Put the handpiece and treatment head on the stand. There are a total of 7 Shockwave replacement heads. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are for treatment of the body, arms, and legs. Number 5 is for prostate treatment, and number 6 and 7 are for erectile dysfunction treatment. The gray cover and the blue small cover are suitable for work heads 1 hashtag, 2 hashtag, 3 hashtag, and 4 hashtag. The blue big cover is suitable for working head 5 hashtag. Gray cover 1 hashtag is used for treatment and bending parts such as shoulders, hips, and things. Gray cover 2 hashtag is used for treatment and curved parts such as wrists, elbow, and knees. Gray cover 3 hashtag is used for large treatment area on the body. Select the appropriate Shockwave head for installation based on requirements. Bullet head replacement. First, remove the Shockwave head. Then use a hex screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws on both sides of the handle. Use a metal piece to rotate out the iron ring inside the handle. Then pour out the small metal sheet, black rubber ring, spring and bullet head. Install the new bullet head, with the narrow side facing up, onto the spring. Then place it into the handle. Insert the black rubber ring and small metal sheet in sequence. Install the iron ring back into the handle and tighten the screws on both sides of the handle. The bullet head replacement is now complete. Connect the power cord and turn on the power button. Tap the interface to enter the main interface, then tap the square root symbol to enter the function selection interface. Choose wrist. Parameter recommendation, default parameters. Working head recommendation, select according to the display on the operation interface. Note, you can also use the green button on the handle to start/pause. Press the start/pause button to initiate the process. Press the start/pause button to stop the operation. Please wait patiently for the handle to cool completely before turning off the machine to avoid damaging the main unit. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.